This video explains my view and implementation task given in Assignment 2 by Ocean. Hello, I am Hemant Parmar, final year undergraduate VIT Bhopal. This project uses Streamlit library. So this is the structure of this project. So in core we have Streamlit library, which is doing the UI generation, hosting. So like this project is hosted on Streamlit and session management. Most of the heavy lifting is done by Streamlit library. Then we are using OAuth of Google for authorizing users. Then we are fetching email from Gmail only currently. And once we fetch the emails, we will store those in files so that we can reuse them. We don't have to fetch them every time. Also, whenever we auto reply something, we don't send them, we just save the draft, which will also be saved in files. Then, whenever we need to query the model, we fetch the email for the content needed and then we send it to Gemini. Then, whatever the response comes, it is short or to saved in the file. So, this is roughly the structure of our app. So let's see how a user will use the app. So user can go to this URL, questionnaire s2v1 streamlit.app. Then we can sign in with Google. So let's click here. Now it is asking to choose account. I will choose my university account. Okay. Now authentication is successful and user can select the number of mails to be loaded. So let's say we are having 20 mails to be loaded. We can decrease it to 15. So then we are using loading 15 of the latest mails. So this is loading the mails from Google, from Gmail. 50 mails now has been loaded. So we can see the mails here. So if we go to the email agent, we can see all the 15 mails here. So these are the recent mails which I got. So you can see this one. You can see this mail which arrived from pet queries and so on. So now we can run the ingestion. This will extract everything and categorize emails. Now in the email agent, we can see the email. Now what we can do is we can query the emails or run the email. So if we want to summarize this email, or if I want to ask Gemini what skills I need to have for these jobs. So I can ask it, list the skills I will need for the given jobs. And I'm hitting run agent. Now it will take some time and the output will be displayed here. So now it has given all the list of all the skills I need. So I need these programming languages, databases, APIs, so on and so forth. Now in Draft Manager, we basically whenever we auto reply something. So let's select a mail to see how it is. So let's say this is a biometric email. I can ask Gemini to uh, give give a short reply. Now it will give a reply. So this reply has been given. Now we can click on this button to save draft. So those will be, so this is currently, uh, so we can see all the like drafts which I did earlier. Okay, so we see all the drafts. Also, if you want to tweak the prompt, we can do it here. So if you want to tweak the categorization prompt, we can do it here. If you want to auto reply prompt, if you want to tweak, we can do it here. Okay, so let's show you the code, how it works. So this is the code. So basically, in this file, which I'm not going to show, this will have all the secrets. So the secrets will be in this form. So secret will be this one. So like this, the secret will be there. Google client ID, client secret, Gemini API key. All these secret will be stored in this secret.toml file. Then we need to like install the dependencies and just like run this command streamlit and f.py and everything will be running like this only. So all the drafts which we saw are stored here. So these are replies, short replies by the agent. And if we, these are the emails which which is loaded from the Gmail. And yeah, these are the categories. So when we run the ingestion pipeline, so the emails are categorized in these forms. So is it a newsletter or is it a spam or is it important like this? And this prompt will have all the prompts which we talked about tweaking. Now come to the backend. So this agent.py will handle all the interaction with Gemini, which we are having currently. So we initialize the client, then we can call Gemini, we can like ask it to categorize, ask it to extract actions from the email. We can ask it to draft replies and so on and so forth. Uh, these are basically for saving the response or the emails. Same here. This is for saving the draft for auto reply mails. This Gmail loader, this concerns about like talking to the OAuth and the Gmail APIs to feed the mails and to log in the user. The ingestion will simply work on the categorization part, and then this these are handling of prompts. So this was my project. I hope you like it. And if you want to check this project, you can go on this URL. And all the code of this project is uh, all the code of this project is on my GitHub, which is this one. You can go here and like create the project yourself. Thank you so much. I hope you like this.